Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best ECN Forex Brokers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, ECN stands for Electronic Communication Network and is essentially a digital system that finds and matches buyers and sellers who are looking to trade in the financial markets. Basically, the system works by allowing brokerages and investors in various geographical locations to trade without any third party involved. Now let's jump into the top 5 best ECN Forex Brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with over 50 tradable base currency options, metals, indices, and commodities, as well as access to their mobile application, virtual private servers, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library and a few eBooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and eBooks for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 3, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is an online, fully regulated Australian financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts with up to 9 base tradable currency options and a variety of market instruments. Go Markets also provides their very own Trading Academy, which covers beginners' guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, and video tutorials to help you with any additional education you might be looking for. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and indices. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through as you please. At last but not least, coming in at number 1 on our list of the best ECN Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 best ECN Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares Now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.